Surrender means what? Surrender means, I'll do whatever you want. Isn't it? I'll do whatever you want. Right? Like, I see how surrendered you are. When I want something, everyone is fired up to get it done. Because you surrendered to me. But when I go, then things happen in a different way. So surrender means doing whatever he wants you to do. Isn't it? Surrender means obedient. Obedience and surrender. Those who are surrendered, they are obedient. Those who are not surrendered, they are disobedient. Obedient means? What's the meaning of obedient?
To follow whatever is asked.
Doing whatever he wants you to do. Right? Like, the soldiers are surrendered to the general. General says, charge. They go, they don't consider anything else. General says, charge, they charge. That's obedience. But a person, oh, the general said, charge, my God, somebody is there with a gun. My life is not safe. And he kind of doesn't follow the command. Is he surrendered? So this is how surrendered means obedience. And when one becomes obedient, then the person uses him for his mission, for his purpose. Like, we always see that the master loves the servant who is obedient, isn't it? Like if a master has two servants, one servant listens to the master, the other servant doesn't listen to the master. So who the master will be pleased with? So similarly, the Supreme Master, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, when we surrender unto Him, He becomes pleased with us. And then He uses us. And that is the meaning of being empowered. Empowered. Devotee becomes empowered by the Lord.